And we're back with another video starting off 2026. Car show's about to begin out here in northeastern Ohio. The weather has been up and down. Warm days, cold days, snowy days, rainy days. Ohio weather is insanely crazy. Most of you may know me as RS Touch. I used to own a 2017 Ford Focus RS. Last year, I had to part ways with the car. I owned it for so many years. I did work to it. So this year, we are introducing our new, beautiful 2025 Civic Type R. I used to own a Civic when I was younger. And I know Civics are always reliable. So this year, you guys should be seeing me in a lot of Northeast Ohio car shows. And today, I went ahead and got my tires mounted to the rims that I'm going to be installing. I got some spoon reps, and that's what we're going to be installing today, along with a bunch of other goodies that are en route. I'm not going to do any engine work to the car. I'm not going to do no intake or anything like that. Due to the fact that I am going to drop the motor and get the whole entire motor sent out to Four Pistons Performance to get it fully built before I go ahead and start buying turbos and intakes and stuff like that. I don't know what route I'm going to go with the car yet, but I'm going with fully built engine first from Four Pistons Performance. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and put these rims on the car. The car is lowered on AeroFlow Dynamics lowering springs. I did get the ECU flashed by Two-Step Performance. So we're going to also do some flashing to the car as well, and get some of that Integra burbles put to the car. So let's get started. Installation, this is what she looks like. Should look real good, real good. So next we're gonna jump in and jump on this Hondata and see if we can get this baby sounding good. Flash it to 93 octane and go from there. Let's see what she sounds like right now, and then we'll go to the burbles and pops from the Integra and see how she sounds after the flash. Okay, so now that we're in the car, let's open up this laptop. Got the FlashPro here. Let's turn this laptop on, because every Honda needs a laptop. Let's get in and let's see what this flash is about. Alright, open up Hondata FlashPro Manager. Let's see what happens here. Let me go underneath. Alright. Let's go to new calibration. Model FL5. Civic FL US. Let's see. There's really not much. I have intercooler RVC6, RV6 turbo 93.1. Let's do 93 octane. Did 93 octane. It's downloading. Alright, so let's see. We have raise factory, TC limits, increase maximum camshaft, pump gas, stock fuel system, Hondata fuel system plus, we don't got none of that. Full race fuel pump, don't have that. Stock injectors, Integra Type S, pops and bangs, let's do a little bit of that. Full throttle engine cut for full throttle shift. Not recommended. Engines with stock internals. Engine cut for fuel throttle. Engine cut for full throttle shift includes part throttle shifting without lifting from the throttle. Engine cut for full throttle shift. What's the difference between full throttle shift, engine cut for full throttle shift? Engine cut for full throttle shift includes part throttle shifting without lifting. I don't know. Tell me. If you guys know which one it is or which one I should pick, let me know in the comments below. Traction, no wheel spin. Traction control launch setting with no wheel spin upon launch will bog down. Traction with aggressive. We'll do that. Only use this if you have reached the torque limit. Will increase boost so your pressure ratios tables control both. Limit all mods. Valet speed limit 45. Let's go with engine cut for full throttle shift. Part throttle, including part throttle. Full throttle shift, engine cut for full throttle shift. So I'm guessing full throttle shift, including part throttle. Engine cut for full throttle shift includes part throttle. Let's go with full throttle shift. See what happens here. What happened? Pump gas, stock fuel system. Integra Type S pop and bangs. Full throttle shift. Traction. There's a whole bunch of I'm picking what I want. Maybe I gotta turn on the car. So that will wrap up the video today. There was a lot of technical difficulties trying to figure out how to flash it, but I finally got it after doing a couple of research. I think I know what I'm doing now. I got the pops and bangs going. Got the rims installed. I have some window visors that I have to install, which is another video, and back windshield visor as well. That's coming up on the next video, the installation to that. May 2nd, I'll see you guys at Superfly. If you make it, you make it. If you don't, I'll have that video ready for you to show you what's there. And we're going forward. Let's continue making content. I see you at car shows, build series on this FL5. Let's see what we can do. My goal is 800 horse, no more, no less, for next year. Let's go. Let's get road to 1,000 subscribers. Please share, like, and comment. Let me know what you liked about today. Let me know if you like the rims, what you think I should do to it. Let's go. Stay tuned. Till next time.